So we are, we've got a braided portion of our lashing done. So, and actually there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be the last one. You want to end down here, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows of weaving. Okay, so we don't want to make that any bigger. What we want to do is we want to make some room now here for our lashing. So what we're going to start doing is just a 3-point now, so we can build this up a little bit so we can start adding those in there. Before we do that, I'm going to do the lash on the other side, and I'm going to actually put in this piece here so that it's ready, so that when I do start doing this, I can go underneath that. And so if we decide that we want to put more fancy twill on that, we can. So